So today I'm down here in Little Italy, and it's one of my favorite spots to go out and enjoy. Now I've been down here 2 or 3 times over the last year. It's really fun because Saturday they have a farmer's market, and they really have a lot of displays on, so I thought I'd come down here for one of the last times because I'm getting ready to relocate over to Phuket, Thailand. So these are kind of my final videos here of San Diego. Now I'm down here on India, and I'm heading to Date Street, and I'll show you the really cool sign that I'm going to run into. You know, one of my favorite stops here in Little Italy, before I actually go over, is stopping at this Gunnery Sergeant John Basilone. He's a Medal of Honor recipient from World War II, and it's a really incredible story. I actually read his story. I'm not going to read through the whole thing, but I'm just going to kind of show you around on this memorial. It's really quite incredible. This is the actual citation. And there he is right there. You know, he's such an incredible hero that even when he got back from, when he received his Medal of Honor, he wanted to go back and keep serving with his guys. So he went back and did another tour, although he didn't make it back. But incredible story. If you ever get a chance to read that story of John Basilone, you'll be truly inspired. And there's another picture of him up here. So one thing about Little Italy, I mean, it's actually a pretty big area in downtown San Diego, but the main attraction is right here on India and Date Street. So there is the sign, and you can get in this this chair right here. This is like a Instagram moment, if you per se. You can sit on this thing. Maybe I'll get an Instagram photograph on this. Kind of cool, huh? I mean, this place is just loaded with pizza places, obviously, and I've stopped at a few of them, and they're really good. This one, Flippy's, is a pretty nice place to stop at. Really good pizza at a good price. There's that big awesome sign that I was talking about. Tons and tons of restaurants. This landmark sign. So this sign, Little Italy landmark sign, was dedicated to the 7th annual Little Italy Festa on evening of October 8th, 2000. So just kind of give you an idea regarding this sign up here. Pretty nice. So right now I'm at India in Date Street, and this is kind of like the central area of Little Italy, and it's a lot of fun. And check out the atmosphere around here. Really nice. And they have tons of these little stalls you can go around, and then we'll go check some of them out. And you see the amount of people for this every Saturday event. It's really quite incredible. So let's go take a look at some of these really cool stalls that has kind of a mixture of just about everything, mainly fruits and vegetables, but you can get a lot of other really nice snacks and food here. Check it out. Organic damaged apple, $2 a pound. So everything's here pound wise. Kumquats, those are always good.
Not too bad. 20? 20? Only 20?
No, I made a lot of more.
Thank you.
A lot of dried fruit. Nice. Let's see what else they have.
They have different flavors.
Oh yeah, look at this.
I'm big on flavor. They're red all the way.
Look at the size of these strawberries. They are huge. Nice. $16 for a 3-pack. Okay. Now you can really see how busy it is. I'm just kind of like inching along, just kind of enjoying the stalls they have here. Lots of food, lots of folks. Check this out. These are berries. These are really nice. I love blueberries, blackberries, raspberries. Quite the display. Strawberries. Wow.
Yeah, and give me.
You know, everything is grown around here, so you're not going to get any like out-of-state stuff. All local. This is one of my favorite fountains. Check this out. How do you like that? 2 hours. So I just crossed Columbia Street, and well, it just keeps going. I mean, there's so many stalls. I mean, you could literally spend hours down here. But look at these oranges. They have different types. Bloody orange, mandarins, navel oranges. I love avocados. Look at this honey right here. Now I'm just gonna kind of warn you about these farmers markets is you're not really gonna find a deal down here. Not at this one. The prices are a little bit high. It's more or less kind of a touristy thing, but a lot of fun to visit though, you know. And you can see by the amount of folks, even on a cloudy day.
Did I give you a sample already? Would you like some?
You can see, what's this? This is
In the summer.
olive oil. Of course you're gonna have a lot of that. This is like, you know, family owned.
I've been seeing that because like
A lot of that around here. You know, they come down, register a stall, and sell their goods. How cool is that? So this is Our Lady of Rosary here in Little Italy. I wish I could go inside, but I don't think I can. I think it's closed. But here's the outside of it, and it's a very historical Catholic church. And let's go take a look at the sign. Kind of gives you an idea. Our Lady of the Rosary Church Historical Monument, dedicated December 20th, 1925. So that alone is going to give you an idea how old this church is. And there is a lot of history here in Little Italy. So continuing along on my little adventure, and I'm going to cross State Street and check the other side out. So fun. Honestly, I just love it. So moving away inch by inch. What is that? You can see how busy it is. Right up in front of me. This is the main food area. So I'm coming down the other way on the other side. So you'll see some other stalls that I'm gonna point out. I mean, there's just so much to see, but it's so awesomeness. Let's see what we got here. Sneak in here.
I thought I heard my name.
How does the
78. Yes. Thank you so much.
this out? We're gonna go see how this guy makes these artesian crepes. The line is right here, but I'm not actually gonna get any. I just want to see how they're made. Look at that. So let's watch this grape action right here. Puts a little bit of cheese on there. Oh, that looks good. Spinach. Tomato. Tell me if that looks good or not. Looks delicious. Is that yours? Yeah. That looks delicious. I'm just doing a video on it. Sorry. Oh wow. Look how he folds that. Look at that. Beautiful. He just puts it into a cup. Nice. How about that? So that's pretty nice. Just seeing that little, how that crepe is made. I mean, that right there in itself kind of like highlights the whole morning. What do you think? Now we're gonna watch how he makes this sandwich. It's not actually mine, but it's always fun to watch because it's like an art putting these things together.
Yeah, they take the cheese and they
So there he's putting it together. Let's see.
Put a soup in there.
See if I make sure I get a good view of this. That's the cheese right there. Pretty nice. So now he's skimming the cheese right here. So again, see how thin he cuts it. Watch this. Oh man, look at that. That is really nice. Okay, so he's putting the finishing touch down there.
Thank you.
That is cheese, by the way. Nice. So inching my way along here in Little Italy, and I'm kind of like on the west end of it now, and you can see how deep people are in here. This is really neat.
I actually did research on it because I wanted to get it.
Give you an idea. Kind of raise the camera up a little bit. You can see coming back up to my original start point, which is India Street. So it's time to depart Little Italy and head back home and edit this video. And I hope you enjoyed it. If you stayed up to this point, I really appreciate it. And heading back to my car, which is about 10 blocks away. But it's good. I love the walking, believe me. And this is part of the restaurant scene on my way back. So you see how festive it is. It really is. And plenty of pizza places. Although I didn't get any food today. It just came down here just to have fun with my video.
I mean, for real, I'll help you.
But if you like this content and it helped you out, you know, please consider giving it a like, and hope to see you in my next video. So see ya from Little Italy here in San Diego, California. Later.